Hi everyone. Fat Boy times different. A slimming cure with style. We have never done this before, a stock front end combined with our stretched aluminium tank. Our customer wanted a flatter and more stretched line on his bike, so we decided to take our Stretched Alu Tank off the shelf and replace it with the voluminous original tank of the Softail Fat Boy. Since the original has the speedometer unit recessed into the dashboard, we had to resort to our shapely risers with integrated speedometer for Street Bobs and Breakouts with digital display to give the rider all the important information. To achieve the desired look, we opted for 23 inches front and 21 inches rear wheels with black painted rims and spokes. The spokes of our CNC-machined wheels are accentuated by the short mudguard. We have modified the original Swingarm with our kit so that the 21 inches rear wheel can be fitted with a 260 Metzeler Cruisetec tyre. The aim was to keep the right side of the wheel clear. We used our steel rear fender with recessed lighting units and a Sidemount license bracket, along with a short Dr.Jekill and Mr.Hyde exhaust system. For show effect when stationary, we added air suspension to the rear, while the front was also lowered and fitted with a flat handlebar conversion. To complete the sporty Fat Boy concept, the customer ordered a paint kit with red lines on all the anthracite bodywork, and we also contributed our drilled air cleaner with red base plate from our GP series. Jurg Ankert built a black seat with shapely quilting and red stitching, which fits in well with the overall concept. Thanks for watching.